Three, two, one. People of the internet, I am back again. Today is the actual day 5 of uploading, but the video will be day 4. Since 0123, we are back again with some good, beautiful Java language. I don't even know why am I doing this to myself, but therefore we're going strong. We're going strong. We going strong. I hope I can continue this. Yep. See, the thing is, it doesn't matter how long I make the video or whatever I do, as long as this the video is of like barely 20 minutes, but the coding behind is let's go 1 hour, minimum 1 hour. But if I can continue this every day, well, in a year I will be at least 300 hours more of coding than what I'm used to. That's progress, according to me. That's progress from doing nothing. See, 0 times 100 is 0, but 1 times 100 is 100. Feel me, atomic habits. We're back again, and today we'll go to do Java. Let me, kind of lower my screen. Yes, I got a second screen. Actually, it's my tablet. There is where the OBS is running, and this is where I'll be coding. So let's go. Hmm. This is our probe here as always. Let me screen it again. Oh, yes. This is our probe here as always. And today we shall be doing arrays and strings practice problem 1. Example input. Okay, so suppose they have given us n length of array and the input. So the array will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dot dot n. Question is if or not if we need to find the largest element. How how can we do that? First is the easiest way. Like let's just show the easiest way. Let's first make an array of length n, then we'll take a minimum value and we'll compare each element of the array to that value. If we get the larger value, we'll swap this minimum value to that. I mean, the value of the minimum will be changed to that, that, what can I say, that element of the array. And so the more we find larger element, the more they will get swapped. So in the end, we'll be left with the largest. And it will be done through for loops. So yeah, let's get started coding. Let's do it. First, we declare the main class where we made an array of length n. N would be input by the user using same scanner class. Then largest element function was declared, and what did we do here? We declared a minimum value called int max, and that has a minimum value. So for The n elements will compare each element of the array to that integer that has a minimum value. If the array is the element is bigger, then we will swap the values. I mean, the max integer will have that element now, and at last will return max. Since we do that, only the largest element will get remained, and everything else will just get swapped. And what we do, we'll just take result as what we are getting by calling this function, and we'll print out the result. Hopefully it runs. Slow network, we can't help. Slow network. All the test cases going good. We'll submit the code. I don't know what is the optimal code will be, but it's better than my previous submissions, I guess. Yeah, this was my previous submission, and this is my optimal code, so this is better. That's that's cool. Let's go to the next one now. Practice problem two, which I have done before, but I did not understand it back then. I cannot understand it. I don't know. Let's see. Too bright, too bright, too bright. Hmm. Let's see. It has been asked for SAP Lab specs. I don't know what is this. Let's see. You are given a string. You have to convert first li.if word in the string to uppercase. Interesting. I have done this question before, but I don't understand how to do it, and I don't know how it will work. Only 7 minutes of recording yet. Let's learn this. What can be the logic of this? Suppose we start scanning a string. I am Odyssey. What we need to do, the first letter we need to do I. Then it will encounter a blank space. It will be like, then the A needs to be, then again, blank space and O. This is what we need to capitalize, but I think the function will be dot uppercase. But how will I scan it and put it in here? Let's see. Let's see what I did for my last solution. I hope I can re-optimize it. You know. Let's see. Ah, hmm. So what did we do here? String convert string class and string builder. We are using string builder for this. That's an important function in Java. String builder, helps you to create string and also exit string. Character ch dot to uppercase at character 0. So the zeroth index will get capitalized and will get append to character ch. Okay, good. We'll start the for loop from 1 to string 1 to the length of the string. Okay, cool. And what we'll do is if it occurs this one, and uh, still not lesson. I need to study string again. So we will end it today. Now we'll end the stream. Sorry, end the video. Maybe record one more video of just yapping, and I will study strings and solve this question for tomorrow. I mean, today is a short video, but we'll come back from tomorrow. I cannot really tell if today is a failure, but because I didn't even try. I want to try again. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll come back tomorrow strong. Yes, come back tomorrow strong. Let's. I was able to solve a question, but one was failure. So what we do, we go back, we study, and we come back tomorrow stronger. That's what we do. We come back tomorrow stronger. Let's see. Failure is not an option. We come back again, and I have to look here to end the stream today for the second screen. Stop recording.